right, guys, so today we are going to be learning about fractions and decimals. If we have time, we'll get into multiplying decimals, but for today we're going to review and expand our understanding of decimals, particularly through some hands-on stuff. So we are going to be talking about both putting fractions and decimals on the number line. Now some of these will overlap, right? So sometimes you'll have a fraction that matches the decimal. So keep that in mind. We're going to start, do you guys want to start with fractions or decimals?
Decimals.
Decimals? Okay, we'll start with decimals. All right, so the yellow ones are decimals. All right, so I'm going to have you take one, and you take one, and you take one. And go ahead and put it where you think it would go on the number line. Okay, so I'm going to have you read which one you had. All right, Carly, read which one you had.
0.2.
And what's we call that in math terms?
0 and 2/10.
That's right, 2/10. So if we took this and we cut it into 10 pieces, you would be right about where the second piece is, right? Perfect. All right, what did you have, McKinley?
1 and 1/10. I meant 0 and 10. 0.10.
How many of 10 do you have?
1.
So 1/10. You don't have to say the 0, you can just say I have 1/10. All right, what did you have, Bentley?
1.5 tenths.
1.5 tenths. Very good. Or you just say 1
And
5 tenths. Very good. Okay, so those are some decimals. Now we're going to put in some fractions. All right, you get a fraction. You get a fraction. You get a fraction. All right, go ahead and put them on the number line. Okay. McKinley, I want you to think about yours for a minute more. Hey, very good, very good, very good. All right, nice. Okay, Carly, read yours.
1 and 1/10.
Very good. 1 and 1/10, right? Out of here is a fraction. Okay, McKinley?
1 whole.
No, 1.
1/2.
1/2. Exactly. 1/2. Now, does anybody know what decimal would go here? How many out of 10?
5.
Very good. 0.5 or 5/10 would also go here, right? Because it's 5 out of the 10 slices. Excellent. And then you hear it, Bentley? 9/10. Perfect. And you're right near the end because you would have 9, and if you had 10/10, you'd have a whole. All right, we'll do one more round of decimals. All right, there you go. There you go. There you go. Try to read it first. Read it to yourself, McKinley, and see if that helps.
1 whole and 9/10.
Okay, so how do we get, so imagine we ran a mile and 9/10. Where would we have gotten to? Hey, nice. Get 2 special ice cream Halloween sandwiches.
Yes.
You get 2, and you get 2. All right, so in the place value chart, where would these go? Just point to it. Where would these go in the place value map?
Aren't they whole?
They are holes. These are supposed to be holes.
Okay.
Point at it. Where do you think, Carly? Where would they go?
Right here.
Yeah, but which one of these in the holes? Which part? They're not thousands. They're just ones, right?
Yeah.
So how many do we have here?
1.
2. We have 2. We have 2, right? So we have 2 holes. If you imagine this is a world in which you got ice cream sandwiches, you would say, I have 2 ice cream sandwiches, right? Everybody got 2? All right, this is just our guide. We're not going to use it because it's too small to really put everything on. Okay. Well, these are too big. All right, so now we're going to say, okay, we're going to take these, and this is what decimals are. This is where they're always going to be parts if we took it and cut it up into tenths, right? So next we're going to cut this. We're going to take one of the ice cream sandwiches. I'm going to give you another one, and this one you're going to cut up into tenths. I've given you the grid on the back so it can help you figure out how to cut it into tenths. So let's set this up kind of under our place value mat. Use our place value mat as a guide, but I'm going to say I have 2 holes, and I'm going to subtract 5/10, right? Let's say I ate 5/10, so take them away.